Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image into a shape in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to insert image to this Microsoft Word document. I'm going to go to the insert menu and I'm going to select picture and I'm going to insert picture from my device. Okay, and for example, I'm going to go with this one. And I'm going to click on insert. Wait. Alright, and we can go to the crop option right here. And you can click on this little arrow. Then click on crop to shape. And you just need to choose the shape you want to apply. Okay. As you can see guys, that my picture has been cropped into this shape. And wait, I'm going to customize the text wrapping to move it like this. Okay, basically you just need to go to the crop menu right here and then select the shape that you want. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to crop an image into a shape in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!